Okay, so today's video is going to be showing you how to make a squeeze page on WordPress. So if you're new to WordPress or you're new to building an email list, make sure you watch the whole video and I'll go through how simple this is, even if you've got no previous skills on building squeeze pages before. It's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com. If you're new to the channel, we make videos every single week about affiliate marketing, blogging, email marketing, and also easy ways to make money online. So if any of those are of interest to you, then hit the subscribe button in the corner here and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, so let's head over to the desktop where I can walk you through how to make a squeeze page on WordPress. Okay guys, so I've come into the back end of my WordPress website and I've created a new page. So this has opened up obviously the block editor here and obviously all the different bits and pieces down the right hand side here. So I've also got, as you probably have seen, I've got a green box here which says Launch Thrive Architect. So that is what we're going to do. That's the plugin we are going to be using today, show you how quickly and easily it is to create squeeze pages for your business. So let's just click on Thrive Architect and go through very quickly how to do this. Okay, so once you go through, you get the opportunity to either choose a normal page or a pre-built landing page. And this is from the library of over 200 pre-built landing pages. So obviously we want to choose pre-built landing page. Okay, so we come across to the landing page library here, and these are all the default templates that you can use. And we're going to use one of those today just to show you how quickly and easier this is. You could build it from scratch, total scratch if you wanted to, but certainly if you're a novice, I would probably take one of these templates and then just go and change it inside to suit your own brand and what you want to add on there, and we'll show you how that's done very, very quickly. So if we expand this the Chic Smart, there's 7 pages in here, so we click on expand and then we want to choose the lead generation page, and as you can see, that is a very short squeeze page. So let's just click on that and then apply the template. Here we go, and this is then added straight into our page builder. Now as you can see, whatever you actually change here, this is how it will actually look on the actual web page. Okay, you can preview it down here. So you've got a desktop version, you've got a tablet, and you've even got a mobile. And you can edit all these different versions as you go through, guys. So let's go back to the desktop. You want to start everything in the desktop and change everything you need to change. And as you can see here, we've got a background section, we've got text here, we've got more text on top of an image, and there's 2 columns here as well. Plus, if we scroll down, we've also got a name and email box, so where people can actually sign up. So you can actually squeeze their email, their details out of them. That hence why it's called a squeeze page. And this is obviously for a free guide, but yours could be for anything. Could be a free email course, could be for a newsletter, could be for a free guide, it could be for a cheat sheet, anything. You can then obviously change all these different things. You can change the text. So if you click on the text, and as you can see here, this then highlights this box over here. So we could format it. We can change the actual text itself. We can go from that one to some of the Google fonts if you've got a particular font you actually want to go and use. So for argument's sake, that one, and then you just click apply. You can change the size of the font by moving this bar across and back. Okay, so it's really, really simple, guys. If you wanted to move anything, you can just grab this icon here and then you can just move it to wherever you want to do it. And as you can see, it tells you where it's going above. So it's going to go below the background section. So we've moved it below the background section. Okay, so it's all totally editable. We can take it back up there. So we just want it above the background section there, which is fine. And as you can see, these are columns as well. So you can add in different columns. You can add content boxes. So all of this is totally editable, guys, and you can pull in whatever you want. Okay, if you click on the plus button here on the right hand side, this is adding an element. So you can add more text. If you want to add more text in, you can add more text in there. You've also got, once you add the text in, you've got the layout and position down on the left hand side here. So you could then pull these closer together. You can put more of a padding in there if you wanted to. You can bring them closer together, so you could pull it up next to the other one, and you could obviously pull it further down from the other one. So say this is all totally editable, and you can actually play around with this and really make it something special. If you wanted to get rid of an element, you just come over to the little waste bin here and click on that, and the element's gone. But again, you've got loads of different things here, such as obviously text, images, you've got buttons, you've got columns, background sections, templates and symbols, logos, all that sort of thing. And the list goes on and on. You really can build anything you want here. As you can see, you've even got things like countdown timers. So if you wanted to put a countdown timer on to get people to force their details quickly. The lead generation box is here. So this is where you would put in and add in your autoresponder. So if you haven't already got an autoresponder, another good thing with the Thrive Architect, it does integrate with all the top autoresponders. Now, I tend to use Aweber for my email marketing. And the reason why I use Aweber, it's tried and tested. It's one of the first email providers that were out there. And they also do a free account now. So if you're just starting your journey, then it's ideal for beginners to go and grab an account and start building their email list. And it won't actually cost you a penny until you've started growing your list to over 500 subscribers, which when you're first starting out can take quite a while. You don't want to be paying a monthly fee when you don't need to, because a lot of these other autoresponders will give you a 7-day trial, 14-day, 30-day trial, or whatever, and then after that you start paying for it. But with Aweber, it's totally free. So that can be fully integrated into the Thrive plugin here. Obviously, you've got loads of other things here that you can use. I'm not going to go through all of them because obviously this video could be hours long, but I just wanted to quickly show you how quick and easy it is to actually build these squeeze pages. You can also preview it here, and obviously you can save your work here. So if we just click on the save and preview, it's all saved and it'll show you what it's looked like. So now we are on my website, and this will then be what it looks like. And obviously this is a basic template here, and obviously I haven't really made any changes, but you can create this, you can change the colors, you can do whatever you like, guys. This is just a quick video just to show you the tool which you can actually use to go and build these squeeze pages. And like I say, guys, you don't need any experience with this. It really is just a drag and drop system, which is very, very easy to use. And remember, stay tuned right to the very end of this video, because I've got some other videos where I go into a little bit more depth of how you can actually use Thrive. Apart from squeeze pages, you can build loads of things. You can build your actual blog post using Thrive. You can build sales pages and webinar pages, all sorts. It's not just landing pages and squeeze pages. It really is the all-round actual product. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below here, which will take you to their website. And this will tell you an awful lot more about the actual plugin, about all the different features and that, and also about the cost of what's involved. And which is another great thing with the Thrive Architect, because you can use this as a single license plugin, or you can have a multiple license, or you can buy it as part of their membership site. And these are the prices, guys. If you wanted a single license, it's only 67 bucks. That's all, and that will get you be able to install that on one website. You've still got all the features. You get all the 269 landing page templates, unlimited updates as well. You get and you also get a full year's support. So anytime they add new features and that, which they're doing all the time, you'll get all those all the time. So it's not like other plugins again, which you will have to pay a monthly fee for. You can buy it as a one-off. You can also have the Thrive membership and buy it through that, which will actually only cost you $19 per month if you pay it annually. And then you can access to all their plugins and their themes. So if you're looking for possibly more plugins as well, and they do about 10 different plugins for different things, we're only showing you one here. So go and have another look at the Thrive membership while you're there as well. You might find that that's a better fit for you, and you may want to go down that route. Okay, so as you can see, this is very, very simple to use. You don't need any skills. If you want to go and start building your squeeze pages within your WordPress site, this is the one I would recommend. It's the one I've been using for quite a few years now. So I would fully recommend it. Go and check out Thrive Architect. Okay, I hope you found that useful for you. If you did, obviously smash up that like button. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, so then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Also, make sure you drop any questions or comments below, and I'll try and answer them for you as soon as I can. Don't forget to check out our other videos on Thrive Architect here. Okay, we will see you on the next video.